How to connect two monitors. Using two monitors for one display effectively doubles the amount of on-screen space with which you have to work. Make sure that your computer supports multiple monitors. Determine your computer's video connection type. Buy any cables that you don't have. Turn off your computer. Plug in the first monitor. Attach the second monitor. Plug the monitor into a power source. Turn on your computer and the monitors. Click the Windows Start button. Click the Settings icon. Click System. Click the Display tab. Click the Multiple Displays drop-down box. Select a display option. Click Apply button. Click Keep Changes when prompted.